Alright guys, I wanna close my short straddle position. So first I place short straddle, now it's becoming a short strangle. Now you can see my range is 16,600 put and 16,700 call, and here profit is 1,400 loss and 6,200 profit. So ultimately here you can see 4,800, somewhere there. So I'm gonna close my position and I'll reopen another short straddle in Bank Nifty. So let me close first, exit position. So exit all. Okay, just a minute still. Closed. Yeah, it's a position closed. Have you seen it? All right. Okay. So I'm gonna open another position here. So here you can see this one, Bank Nifty, and I'm just selecting October expiry as 36,500 call and put, and premium is 1,001 and 1,164. Let's see in option same here. This one option, yeah. So open interest here 84 and 48. Then let's check it. IV 14 and here 20. Ash and bit a little more far from this area, so I can see, and here I can see Ash and bit price, so it's a little more gap. It's okay. Let's see my profit and loss. Yeah, now I can see here it's showing differently. Okay, let's check it. Sell at position. Okay, another 16,000. Yeah, sell. What happened? Okay, at position. My profit and loss. So profit is showing around maximum 54. Loss is unlimited, but I'll hedge my position. So let's show. And the break even 34,300. Let's jump here 34,300 through a line, horizontal line. 34,300. 34,300. Let's say here. This is my break even, lower side, and upper side 38,700. Let's check it. 38,700. 38,700. I think 38. Okay. 38,700 somewhere. Let's see here. This is my break even point, so I'm expecting the price to stay in between this range till October. Is it October? Yeah. Let's check it. October 28. I have just a minute. August, September, October, almost 2.5 months. All right. And if price expiry here, so I'll collect like 54,000. Okay, so require amount 172. Let's jump to here. Okay, this one 96. Sorry. So let's do first a sell call 25 limited. Okay. Let's check it first. Market price or limit price, and overnight. Yeah, it's place my order, another this one put, and let's go to call side 25 limit, whatever. Let's go. Yeah, now I can see I place my order somewhere there. All right, last traded price average 1003 and 176. So my short straddle, and if price goes up, like most of the people are thinking, hey, if price goes one direction, so I'll protect my position by buying a call or put. All right, so if price break this level and pointing to our upside in a small time frame, So definitely I'll protect on my call side. All right. But remember, I don't want to buy like October call. I'll buy nearest weekly expiry call to hedge my position. All right. Okay, now I can see this is my position. No movement till order. Check it here. Order. Okay. Now to close here, Nifty 16,300 and 16,700, and another reopen. October expiry Bank Nifty 36,500, 36,500. All right. So thanks for giving your valuable time. So I hope you enjoyed this video.